PCA and NSIC registered hybrid varieties. Criteria in selecting variety. All coconut varieties have their own strengths and weaknesses, but it is critical to take into consideration the following. Projected market demand. What will the market for coconut look like when your farm is ready for harvest? Preferred byproduct. Will the variety give you the coconut product you want to sell? Desirable characteristic and yield. What is the variety that will give you the expected outcome? Pest and disease resistance. Will your coconut variety have resistance against the common insect pests and/or diseases known in your area? Adaptability and suitability to farming conditions. Will the coconut grow and yield well in any farming condition?